So what's up, people? Today is LJ. You know who it is. Cooking with LJ. But today I won't be cooking. Today I'll be more making something. So I'll be... Oh yeah. I'll be making a gingerbread house today. Looks like there's a lot of instructions, so I'm gonna have to get to it. So... and because I'm a real one, I bought another one just in case I messed this one up. Hopefully that's for another video, another time. My partner in crime was supposed to be helping me, but they kind of backed out over there on the couch. You know. So you got to be the star of your own story. So watch the champ work. Let's get to it. And hopefully this will turn out nice. Let's do it. Okay, nice little quick little video. So now I watched the little video. Now it's not as intimidating as I thought it would be. So let's get to it. Let me hold it like this. So we got some stuff in here. So we got this, the chimney. We got the cookies. And it said make sure you got 2 of everything, and I got 2 of everything just by looking at it. It's in a plastic pack. I like graham crackers too. I've been a graham crackers fan for a long time. One of my favorite cereals back in the day was, what was that cereal called? What was that? Honey graham? Mama? Hey mama. What was my favorite cereal back in the day? What was it? Honey graham? Graham honey? The one with the grahams. Yeah. But when Christmas time comes, holiday season, these are on sale, and that's usually the only time you can get it throughout the year, unless you make your own or unless you know a place that sells them. Icing, they told me to squeeze it until it becomes the consistency of like toothpaste. It's already there, to be honest. But I'll squeeze it around a little bit. Let me see. Need icing pouch for 2 minutes. Bringing icing to room temperature and making it more. I have candy in here, of course, and this is for decorating the house once I finish making the house. Man, growing up, I was into art all the time. So if I would have been able to do this, there's no telling what kind of houses this would have looked like. For real. So the first thing I'm gonna do is line this up. I couldn't get it to work, so I had to readjust the nozzle. When you left-handed, it's a little harder. That was kind of, that took longer than I expected. Okay, so take this one. This way. Try to put it in the middle. Once I put them down on the display, I immediately saw what I should have did instead of what I did. I gotta put more on here. I gotta put way more on here than what's on here. So I know that. You gotta put it on the edges too. Make sure you put it on the edges. Let's try this again. So I guess I did something wrong because I ended up resetting this. Alright, so this is what the house looks like so far. For the first time. Right here. So the next step is to put a thick layer of icing on the roof. Pipe and zigzag icing along roof edges of front and back panels. Well, this icing real, so don't think you're gonna get to this and do icing and it's gonna be easy peasy. No, you actually gotta concentrate. Maybe I should go up. Yeah, go up. It's easier going up. And then you can go down on the other side. You gotta do a thick layer, so I gotta do another one thicker than this one. I want to get that out of here. Yeah. Good. Alright. Got it in. Take your time, remember. Go at your own pace. Excuse me. Pace. Gotta do this side now. Oh man. Well, okay. Some icing on the roof. Now you gotta do it again because you gotta make it thick. I did one side already. Do this one. Do it at your own pace because what's the rush? Plus, it's sticky. For real, for real. Let me see. That enough? Let me do another one just to make sure. people who have to do this from scratch, man, you guys are awesome. You gotta make the graham crackers. Yo, so I've been trying to hold this, and I had to readjust it, and ever since then, it is not like it's supposed to. The whole icing in the middle just kind of caved in. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I don't think it's gonna hold. I held it for over a minute. Said hold it for a minute. Once you put the other side on, hold it for another minute, and then wait 15 minutes before you decorate. I was well into the 15-minute process, but then once I looked, started moving again. The house is there, but the icing is gone in the middle. And I don't know if it's gonna stand, but the sides ain't really tall enough either. So once you put the roof on the top, you might have to ice it down. As you can see, it's falling in on that side. But that's what it looks like with the house up, so I don't really have enough frosting to really decorate. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna wait about 10 more minutes and then try to do it. So the ice isn't dropping anymore. So I'm just gonna try to decorate this front, because I don't think the roof is gonna hold up. So alright, so it ain't gonna hold up. The gingerbread people keep on this. So I didn't decorate the house because I was afraid that it was gonna fall in, but I did decorate the front. So I got both of the gingerbread cookies sitting there, and this is what it says. It says sub, aka subscribe, 2023. And then I decorated with some stuff on the lawn and trees and all that business. So this is the finished product. I worked with what I had with the icing, so this is how it turned out. It's not great, but I did it.